Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can clear all your conversation on Snapchat. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video, and it helps our channel to grow as well. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, do not skip any of these parts, because if you skip any of these parts then you might get confused on how you guys can solve this problem. So let's start it. So to clear all your conversation in Snapchat, it's pretty simple, but let me show you guys how you guys can clear an individual message on Snapchat as well. So if you want to just clear one message, you don't have to go through this process. It's pretty simple. Go into a person's chat whom you want to clear. Like I'm gonna go on Avinav. Now remember, through this method you can only clear the message you have sent. So let me send him a message. I've sent him a message. So let's say I want to delete this message, right? I can hold on it, then click on delete, then OK, and delete chat, and the chat has been deleted. So you can do this if you want to delete a single message, but if you want to clear the entire chat, then doing this individually is gonna take a lot of time. So there's a pretty simple way. You can click on your profile picture, click on the gear icon, and then on your privacy sector there's a clear conversation button over here. Click on clear conversation. Now remember, it's going to show you all the list of person whom you have conversation with on your Snapchat. So you can click on this cross mark and the conversation with that person will be cleared. So let's say I want to clear the conversation with Avinav Timla. I can click on the cross and it's asking me, are you sure? Yes. Click on clear. So let me go back. And as you guys can see, my conversation with him is cleared. And basically do the same if you want to clear conversation with other people as well, like Suag, Witchy. And as you guys can see, these two people remain. I can click on the X, clear. Click on the X, clear. My conversation with them will be cleared. So that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys are confused on any part of this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll help you guys with it. So yeah, have a nice day everybody.